my God. We're stuck here. What to do? Are you alive? Are you alive?
I've been trying to get to work for hours here. The conditions and the weather is just impossible.
How long have you been in the car, sir?
I've been in the car for 16 hours. I can't see. I can't see out the windshield. The traffic is just horrible. I'm at a stop.
Have you called your family? Have you called your family and informed them?
I can't seem to find my phone. It's lost in the snow. It's really dangerous conditions. I'm concerned to go outside. I'm very nervous. I don't think anyone should leave wherever they are. Stay put.
Good luck, sir. Good luck.
Help. Help.